Hello everyone, welcome to CodeCrazily. And in the previous lecture, we saw how to download JDK and how to keep it in the path. Today we are going to see how to install IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment for Java. There were many IDEs like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, but I am familiar with NetBeans. So I'm going to build my projects and run my Java programming in NetBeans only. So if you're free, if you're able to feel free and comfortable, you can use NetBeans or else you can use Eclipse too. So first type Apache NetBeans download and then go to download Apache NetBeans. As you can see all the related NetBeans packages, and now I'm gonna download installer for Windows. You click on it. The downloading has started. It's gonna take a while. Please be patient. So as you can see, my download has been completed, and now I'm going to my downloads and start this application execution. And yeah, it's configuring. Apache NetBeans is configuring the installer, and it's gonna take a while. Please be patient. And click on. After seeing this, you will see all these packs and runtimes that are available in NetBeans. You can click on next and accept the agreement and next. And it is where our NetBeans is being installed, and the JDK we are using for NetBeans is 21, which we have downloaded and earlier. Okay, and click on next. And as yeah, it is also asking for updates, leave as it is, and click on install. It's been installing. So let's wait for a while. It will be done. These ideas will make our work easy while writing a program and also while executing it. No need to sit and remember the commands for it. Just type the code and run. Then that's it. Everything will be done. You can see the output. Now we are going to see how the Hello World program will be here. And from now on, we will see uh, first few programs in command prompt so that you will get to know how to write the code and what is the, you know, you will get to use of it. Okay, and I'll click on finish. And it will start in a few minutes. So as you can see on my screen here, Apache NetBeans IDE 18 has been installed, and now I have clicked on it, and previous, I already have previous version of IDE, so it's just asking whether I want to import those projects or not. I just clicked yes, and now yeah, this is my NetBeans. So first I will go to file and I will click on new project. and just keep default. I will keep as it is. And as it's my first project, it is taking a while. Please be patient. So as you can see, I have to give my project name. I will say hello world only. Hello world, and I will click on finish. Then it will start creating a new project. It is taking a while because it, yeah. And so as you can see, this is my new project. And as you can see, everything in before I have to type this. But now all the main class, the class name, file name, everything will be pre-given. And what I have to do here is just write system dot out dot print and print hello world. It's also in hello world. Now here there is a green symbol which is run project, and I'm going to click on run. Okay, it is saying please wait. It's scanning the path. Okay. Mm. We'll wait a few seconds. So see, as you can see here in the output, it came hello world, which means it executed perfectly. So IDE will make our work easier when compared to the command prompt. So this is how you will install the Apache NetBeans. Uh, Eclipse is also same way. I prefer Apache NetBeans because I have learned in NetBeans. Mm, yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see in the next lecture about all the syntaxes and all, and we'll go to the concept of programming. I hope by next lecture we will be downloading. We'll have set up your Windows or machine with the compatible running programs and IDE. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the channel. And please do comment that you have understood. Thank you so much. Bye bye until my next video.